Alright guys, welcome back to Rod Doing Stuff. Today we have this Dewalt Pole Saw here. We're going to put in the test and see how it works. So we've got a bunch of branches up in these trees here at the cabin that need to be cut down. They're dead ones. There's some power lines and stuff that need some branches cut away from them. So we're going to unbox this, see what we got inside here, and then we will check it out, see what we got inside the box. It's an 8-inch pole saw. It's got the brushless motor, 20 volt max batteries is what it takes. They tell me you can switch the bar on it, the 10-inch bar that comes on the electric chainsaw if you want to. I'm not sure if you really need 10 inches on there. 8's probably good enough. But we're going to pull this out and get it all set up. So it looks like we've got the handle here, this extension piece, and then the motor with the chain on it. We're going to check this out and get it put together. Okay, so it looks like it comes with this sheath on here. You got your oil fill right here to lube your chain. So we'll have to get some oil put in there. And it's kind of nice because the motor is up here. So that weight will make it, hopefully, so it's easier to cut with having the weight up here on the top. And the handle's pretty light. It weighs nothing. The only thing you've got in here is basically 4 things where the wires connect for the battery. So looks like there's some arrows on here. It goes this way. So you just line those arrows up, put this together somehow. This way. Just put this together like so. Put the handle on. And on this end, there is right here these 2 screws that you can loosen the bar, and then there's an adjustment screw for the chain to tighten the tension on it right here. Alright, so we just got to get our battery and get some oil put in this, and we'll get it going. We're going to try this thing out. First cut. Well, that worked. That's pretty cool. Reach up there and get all these dead branches cut off. Got this hook here on this side. You can reach up there when you have one that's stuck. Pull it down. Here we go. Josh is going to attempt to use the pole saw. He says it's too heavy. He needs to man up. Alright, so Josh is going to attempt to cut this big branch. We're going to see how the old Dewalt holds up. Oh yeah, just let her eat. Yeah, so this on the box it said it would make 96 cuts on one battery on a 4x4 pressure treated piece of.
Die. This work too badly.
You just got to pull it out and let it get a little speed before you start going.
This whole thing. That wire comes.
All right, Josh, so what do you think?
Works really good.
Yeah, I got the job done. Cut that big branch on this big ponderosa. Cut it up into firewood sized pieces, so we'll burn that now. We got lots to cut though. This thing's got lots of dead branches on the bottom of it. That'll keep Josh busy for a few batteries worth. Alright guys, so we've been using the Dewalt brushless pole saw for a couple hours now. Got all these trimmed up some trees around back. It works really well. I like everything about it. It has fairly good weight. It's a little heavy on the top, but that helps when you cut to help push it down. The only weird thing on it is right here. This weird little safety thing is kind of a pain to push. It's a pain to get this and this at the same time, kind of. So I guess you could do something about that if you wanted to. But other than that, I'm really impressed with it. It works really well. I highly recommend it. We got lots of cleanup to do around here, so we're going to put it to some good use. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and we'll see you next time.